Hello and good morning. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. As you can kind of see, testing out a new camera setup, or a POV setup. So let me know what you guys think, if the positioning's all right, or if any adjustments are needed. Running a few errands today. Just actually finished up a few right now. I'm going to actually find a spot to film a few video ideas. And after that, I think I'm going to film a video on one of my friend's car, Mercedes E63S. Potentially film a car wash video on it. I think it might be kind of cool. If anything, it might just be kind of a Instagram Reels type deal, YouTube Shorts. So I'll see how that goes. Additionally, one of my friends hit me up, Dom, that he's buying a exhaust for his S2000 today. So I might link up with him today. Maybe he's looking to get it installed. I don't know, but I think that'd be pretty cool. I think he said it was a MagnaFlow muffler. So that's exciting. Anyways, I'm looking to trying to lock in the POV angle, because ideally I'd like to film a bit more POV drives and kind of just talk. Well, not so much talk, kind of showcase scenery of San Francisco. So maybe like a night drive through San Francisco downtown San Francisco, Chinatown and so forth. Kind of vlog style as well. So let me know if that's something you would be interested in seeing. I think that would be kind of fun. Oh, can I go through this way? I think I can, right? Uh-oh, this is not the way. Alright. Oh wait, nope, this is the way, yes. I thought I had went past this entrance. That might be a nice spot. I'm kind of tempted. Should I park over there? Yeah, I think I might turn around and park up there. Oh crap, oh crap. What the hell? What the helly? What's the road like? So... Don't want to disturb the peace here. A lot of kids, families, dogs. Just want to have a nice spot to park and film a video. So I think I'll do that over here. Gates locked at sunset, all right. Cool. I think this might be the spot. Does it look cool here? Okay, fine, maybe in front of this tree, kind of nature vibes. I don't want to disturb anyone though. Okay, let's just park like this. All right, so I'm gonna work on filming this new video. If you liked this POV and this style of video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much.